Why do you think?
Let him do the unboxing.
Oh, and assembly hardware. It could be.
Let Jerry do it.
I don't really care. Jeff's the unbox therapy nerd.
I'm KVHD.
Yeah, I'll open these boxes.
I just wanted to open up the stand. You can open up any other box.
Jeff's a big rectangle guy.
I'm a big stand guy.
Probably because he's so square.
Ask Amari, ask Jerry.
I'm saying ask Amari because Amari vented about that yesterday.
Here's one downstairs.
There's two downstairs. One is supposed to be downstairs, so we're missing 3.
Thank you for your straps.
What about you?
Bro, just ask Morty to lift the whole thing up here by himself. That does not look like hardware.
How does this affect LeBron's legacy?
So, I mean, when you lift the box, if each person gets a corner, it'll be like 300 pounds per person. So that means you could just like kind of throw it over the fence, and then that's touchdown.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah.
It happened, bro.
Oh, we played yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Guess how much we won by?
I don't know. 5-0.
8-2.
Oh, you're just taking it upstairs?
Let's just take it upstairs.
Oh, okay.
We need the lifting strap.
Bro, man ball.
One side.
Peraí, o que você quer fazer, Matheus?
Okay.
O que você quer fazer?
This is what? This strap.
No, we have strap.
Amarelo? Amarelo. Exato. Que lá dá aula.
Ska Karikanen andra amigo,
Yeah. Chupapi.
We're not supposed to be doing it this way.
We're working on better, Jeff.
I need your strength. Push this that way.
Oh, okay.
This hole's got to get over here, and if you look over here, there's a little. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be.
That was my
Oh,
cuticles.
keep polite finger. Oh, now my finger's stuck. Oh, there we go.
Só. Você equilibrar ela de um lado só.
I don't know if I trust it being on one side also. Let me
Wait, hold on, put it down. It's too much to the left.
Dude, this is not gonna work anyway.
Yeah, this strap is like.
Talking about.
Yes, I know what he's talking about. Without the pallet, you can put the 2 straps. It's 2 straps here. One benefit of having 2 straps, 4 people can lift. Vamos aqui, vamos ver o que a gente comprar.
Cada pega de um lado aqui.
Well, we're taking everything. Yeah, go.
Por que essa caixa é pesada?
What do the instructions say?
Máquina.
But there's 2 by.
There's 2.
There's one on each side.
Ok, Lucas, mas essa aqui.
No, that's the machine.
Touching the machine.
Here.
There they are.
Get in there, Nick.
Another box.
As seen on TV.
That's nice.
Off the optical cassette, bro. Oh, sick, dude.
Yeah.
For what?
So I can make sure I grab the right plug.
We ball.
You better remember that there's gonna be 2 people that are in the back that have to lift it higher.
To what? You wanna help us carry this?
Oh, no, thank you.
Also remember, when you're going upstairs, the people in the back are carrying the most weight.
I'm ready.
Representando o quê?
Watch your foot, watch your foot. Você tá com a mão pra baixo. Põe a mão aqui, ó.
Jerry, look at me, my guy.
Come,
You
Joe.
do this and grab.
No, hold on, let me
Is
calculate.
your arm like this?
No, my arm is like
Aqui, vai
this.
aqui no braço.
Yeah, and then the rest.
Põe seu braço aqui, ó.
How does this
Vou cortar pra você. Você bota no chão se quiser.
Pull it
Põe
out.
no chão. Põe a mão.
Toes first.
Probably lifted by myself, but no.
Because it's large.
Yeah, Swift is big.
That thing is crazy technology. This one is just
industrial.
Do a row.
Não, não. Desse jeito aqui vai ter que ficar. Desse jeito aqui, ó.
This is literally lightweight, bro. My fingers right now.
Tira a mão, Jeff. Tá sossegado.
Chill. It's a little too more
Yeah,
pushed
yeah.
up. There's a refrigerator.
Fridge.
This is a fuse part. Look at this piece.
Does this lift?
How about we don't touch anything till there's power on it?
Isn't it kind of inconvenient how the stand is like power? Okay.
This one? Ready?
Does it fit though?
Ready?
Damn, bro.
Dang, bro, you're gonna
Yeah,
leave
rip it off like a
adhesive on
band-aid,
it.
bro.
Hell yeah.
Where'd you learn that one?
I forgot where. Honestly, I can't credit the source. I forgot where I got it from.
Plug that thing in.
Why is that a 220?
Do not let him plug that thing in.
Last thing I need is it tripping something and it getting over voltage.
Morty, do you understand electricity?
I don't know how that works.
Do you understand electricity?
When- If you plug something in and it draws too much power, it'll try to force more power out of it, which then trips it.
Stay. Alright, come on.
You can't measure there necessarily. You still have to measure from your base because you have the railing. I'm taking you into. You want to do it the same way? Yes.
I want to the same way. Just lift.
Bye. Same way. We're gonna take it up the stairs. Isso aqui é mesmo físico. O outro é mais físico. That other one? Expensive. This one, still expensive. Less.
Pallet da caixa vai ficar praticamente like it's gonna be like 10 pounds more per person.
I'll do it like this. And if anything, we can get 2 more people.
Yeah.
Alright.
Morty sponsored everything,
Qual a
bro.
especificação da tomada que você precisa? 220 ou não?
Huh?
A tomada.
What about
É 110 ou 220?
It's regular 110.
Ah, é regular.
The other one too?
Yeah.
É normal.
Okay, so we're about to plug it in. Okay. Oh. Holy cow. Amari, come here. Amari! I plugged it in.
Bro, do not, no.
Oh, stop, stop.
No!
Don't unplug it. It's.
Why are you plugging it in? Are you fucking serious?
What are you talking about?
What a dingle ball.
Why can't you be patient?
Jerry, don't you have diffusers to work on? I get this is all cool, but like, not yet, please.
Very cool. Very cool. Would you like to know the name of the machine?
I'm gonna FaceTime Jeff really quick.
Relaxed B.
Well, Jeff's not gonna be relaxed when he sees that you turn this
Oh
fucking
yeah,
on, bro.
can you like you saw
Making a phone call. Hey,
So Jeff?
what's up, bro?
Hey Jeff.
Where are you?
On my way to get Chipotle and get back.
Someone's getting curious. Man, skipping the Chipotle run.
you sick, man.
Yeah, he's not there yet.
He's sick.
Oh, my friend.
That's what we need.
Oh, I ripped it. Here. Foam ring. Okay.
Probably in the box of random stuff.
OSHA approves.
Can you help me get all the stuff that's like
I'm
supposed to be here off the table?
Feel this hose.
It's a heavy hose.
Dude.
High-powered suck.
Dude, it's a lot of suck. Yeah,
I
this is
wanna
an
hardwire
SLS 3D printer.
This is 50 foot. 100 foot should
50
be fun.
might even do it.
I don't want to risk out order 100. The price is
Alright,
that much.
yeah, just order 100.
We'll do Wi-Fi for now. All right, so this is a 3D printer. The 3D printer is a build volume. This is the build volume right here. This is like the equivalent of your. Oh yeah. This is the equivalent.
Wait.
This looks like a Mac Pro.
It does look like a Mac Pro.
Come on, bro, hurry.
I'm sorry.
Jesus.
All right, so here's the expensive looking Mac Pro, right? Basically, this is what goes inside the 3D printer. All of the 3D printer material, which is basically a powdered nylon, gets thrown in there, heated very hot right before it hardens, and then a 30-watt laser, layer by layer, sinters that material to get you a 3D printed part in the end. However, there is still that nylon powder that you need to get rid of. So you then take this part, throw it in here, lock into place, plug this in so it knows that it's here, and it lifts up and pushes up all of that nylon. This is your vacuum. This is what you use to clean off all of the excess powder that you didn't use. And in here is where it gets all reused. So all of that powder that you didn't use goes in here to be reused. And then you go in through the side. In the side you have fresh powder that you throw in.
That's where the filters are, right?
Right, and it recycles it. So then you then take, I believe you take this build tray here, and then you put it, I believe in here, something along those lines. No. You take the other one. I don't know. It's still all new to me.
How long can we make our first 3D parts out of this? It's gonna come down to electricity.
It's probably gonna come down to electricity, and I think next week we're scheduling for the on-site training.
And then Will's down there doing fine, right?
Will, no, his name's Big John now.
Does this have a name? Or is it just called the Swift?
Wait, that's a good question. Let's find out. Let's plug it in.
It does.
It's plugged in. It's plugged in. It's plugged in. Just turn it off.
It's just gonna be called like Dirt
Did
Baby.
you dirt
It's
baby?
the switch is right.
Say what we're talking about right now. Basically, all of the Formlabs machines from factory come with a name that you cannot change, and it just sounds like a Wizard 101 or a Toontown
Yeah, it's
generated name. Thankful Swift. Let's go to settings. System maybe?
No, it's just called Swift.
No way. No way.
All right, it doesn't have a name. Send it back.
Wait, Sift details. Great Zingle! It's the Great Zingle!
Jesus Christ, bro.
Alright, hold on, I want to show something cool. So, the printer actually uses 3D printed parts from what it can make. So, like this here, this entire.
As an example
Of
of what it
this-
makes.
Right, so it makes these. It's quite nice. Nice handle.
Have a nice finish to it. This is basically nylon, right?
This is
It
part,
is.
This is a fuse part.
Yeah.
Ready? I'm going to slide this open. Very
Parts
cool.
come out?
Huh?
Is where the parts come out? Pretty cool.
This is our wall of prototyping crap. So we have like splitter prototyping hardware, door release hardware that's prototypes. Everything that gets prototype, the random assortment
Very-
comes here.
Very organized.
Not very organized, but
Bro, whatever. We have a new god, the Great Zingle.
the Great Zingle.
Oh my god. Yo, Matt, you want to learn about tolerances? This is tolerance, my guy. Go ahead. Enjoy yourself. I'll shake you. Oh, side to side, I mean. Obviously, always.
Very nice.
That we're gonna put on the wall so when Matt yanks the door open, it doesn't scratch or dent or scuff the door of the fuse. Because you know.
It's good in the wall, right?
What?
It's going on the wall or the door?
On the wall. Why would it go on the door?
Yeah, I guess
Just
it
making
doesn't
sure.
matter.
Because like, I want that thing OEM. I don't want it aftermarket.
No
parts.
mods.
That you would be telling that to Jerry, not me.
Yeah, I'm just making
Yeah.
sure that you're putting it on the wall.
It'd make no sense to put it on the door.
Connect the power cable in a dedicated circuit. Yeah, that's it. We're finished.
It's like a lock screen. That's sick.
What? So you grab like this, look.
Huh?
So.
You don't even need to. It just.
Pops open.
No, I know, I'm saying to close it.
Okay. Yeah. No, I'm saying it's like a iOS like 310.
OEM plus, baby. We're not modifying this thing. Oh,
It's Florida.
dude, if we got an earthquake, I think we've got bigger.
we got
concerns.
bigger. Yeah, we got bigger problems.
Cash it.
Of course.
Beautiful.
Very
Good.
nice.
For me.
Ah!
You can put it on the left side. So that it's like more hidden, but it's still visible.
I just check oil
It
pressure.
looks kind of random place right
And we need to like walk there and stuff. It's not.
now. When like filling it up.
What is that? Yo, that is sick.
You just realized that?
Yeah.
What, the little,
And you see
the hopper?
the tank.
The
It's full or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.